Hi,
Hey there.
what are you doing?
Just relaxing at home.
Are you tired?
A little, it was a long day.
Did you work today?
Yes, from 9 to 5.
Was it busy?
Very busy, non-stop meetings.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I had a sandwich.
Do you always eat sandwiches?
No, sometimes I eat rice or noodles.
Do you cook your own lunch?
Not usually, I buy it from a cafe.
Is the cafe nearby?
Yes, just across the street.
Do you like their food?
It's good and affordable.
What time do you finish work?
I usually finish around 5:30.
How do you go home?
I take the bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Yes, especially in the evening.
How long does it take?
Around 30 minutes.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, I always wear my headphones.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft rock.
Do you sing along?
Only when I'm alone.
Are you meeting anyone tonight?
No, I just want to rest.
Do you have plans tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going shopping.
What do you want to buy?
Some clothes and a new bag.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you shop online too?
Sometimes, but I prefer stores.
Why do you prefer stores?
Because I can try things on.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes, or with a friend.
Who's your best friend?
Her name is Maya.
How long have you known her?
Since school, over 10 years.
Do you talk every day?
Almost every day.
What do you talk about?
Everything, work, life plans.
Is she funny?
Yes, she makes me laugh a lot.
Do you both travel together?
Yes, we went to the beach last year.
Did you enjoy it?
It was amazing and peaceful.
Do you swim well?
Yes, I love swimming.
Do you like the ocean?
Yes, especially during sunset.
Do you take photos?
Of course. I love photography.
Do you post them online?
Only some, I keep most private.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, but not every day.
Do you like social media?
Only for staying in touch.
Do you watch videos online?
Yes, mostly cooking and travel.
Do you try new recipes?
Sometimes on weekends.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it's fun and creative.
What's your favorite dish?
Spaghetti with homemade sauce.
Do you cook for others?
Yes, my family loves it.
Do you watch movies at home?
Yes, I love movie nights.
Do you watch alone or with someone?
Usually with my sister.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like Forrest Gump.
Have you watched it more than once?
Yes, at least 5 times.
Do you like romantic movies?
Sometimes, if the story is good.
Do you cry during sad movies?
Yes, I get emotional easily.
Do you have a favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks a lot.
Do you follow celebrities?
Not really, just a few.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading fiction.
How often do you read?
almost every night before bed.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading The Alchemist.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's inspiring.
Do you visit the library?
Sometimes, but not often.
Do you buy books or borrow them?
Mostly I buy them online.
Do you use an e-reader?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Do you take notes while reading?
Only when it's something I need to remember.
Do you write anything yourself?
Yes, I write short stories.
Do you keep a journal?
Not daily, but I try.
Why do you keep one?
To clear my thoughts and track my goals.
Do you draw or paint?
A little, just as a hobby.
What do you draw?
Mostly nature and animals.
Do you share your drawings?
Only with close friends.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, especially during walks.
What kind of podcasts?
Motivational and storytelling.
Do you like public speaking?
Not much, I get nervous.
Have you ever given a speech?
Yes, once at a wedding.
Were you scared?
Very, but I did okay.
Do you play any instruments?
I play a little guitar.
When did you learn?
I learned in high school.
Do you play often?
Only on weekends now.
Do you sing too?
Just for fun.
Do you like karaoke?
Yes, it's fun with friends.
Do you go out often?
Not too much, just weekends.
Do you like quiet places?
Yes, I prefer peace.
Do you meditate?
Sometimes, it helps me relax.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes, but I believe in effort more.
Do you make wishes?
Yes, especially on birthdays.
Do you believe in dreams?
Yes, I think they have meaning.
Do you remember your dreams?
Only some of them.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours.
Do you take naps?
Only if I'm very tired.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I like to sleep in.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, it helps me feel organized.
Do you clean your room often?
Yes, I clean it once a week.
Is your room big?
No, it's small but cozy.
Do you have a desk in your room?
Yes, I study and work there.
Do you like your room?
Yes, it's my favorite space.
Do you use an alarm clock?
No, I use my phone.
Do you hit snooze a lot?
Sometimes, when I'm too sleepy.
Do you make a to-do list?
Yes, it keeps me focused.
Do you plan your day?
I try to, but not always.
Do you follow a routine?
Yes, I like having structure.
Do you get distracted easily?
Sometimes, especially on social media.
Do you use your phone too much?
Yes, I need to cut down.
Do you use any apps to stay focused?
Yes, I use a timer app.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's quiet and comfortable.
Do you have video meetings?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you keep your camera on?
Only when it's required.
Do you feel nervous in meetings?
Sometimes, especially with new people.
Do you ask questions at work?
Yes, when I'm unsure.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy gaining knowledge.
Do you take online courses?
Yes, I've taken a few.
What was your last course?
A course on digital marketing.
Was it helpful?
Yes, I learned a lot.
Do you like using computers?
Yes, I use one every day.
Do you prefer laptops or desktops?
I prefer laptops, they're portable.
Do you type fast?
Yes, pretty fast.
Do you know how to code?
Just a little bit.
Do you like technology?
Yes, it's fascinating.
Do you use smart devices at home?
Yes, I have a smart speaker.
Do you use it often?
Yes, for music and reminders.
Do you shop online?
Yes, at least once a week.
Do you read reviews before buying?
Always, they help me decide.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, I like getting the best deal.
Do you return items sometimes?
Yes, if they don't fit.
Do you enjoy trying new products?
Yes, especially gadgets.
Do you save money?
Yes, I try to save monthly.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, I track my spending.
Do you spend more on food or clothes?
Mostly on food.
Do you eat out often?
Yes, once or twice a week.
Do you like trying new restaurants?
Yes, especially with friends.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially chocolate cake.
Do you eat snacks late at night?
Sometimes, when I can't sleep.
Do you drink enough water?
I try to, but I forget sometimes.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, daily in the morning.
Do you go for health checkups?
Yes, once a year.